The spiritual body is in accordance to the service. The soul, when becomes engaged in serving, then he develops the spiritual body. Because according to the service, the limbs, so to say, the spiritual limbs develop. So if there is no service, then the spiritual limb is lost. Like with us, in the material nature, the living entities, what happened to the spirit soul? Became a tiny spiritual spark. Because there is no need for a spiritual body. Spiritual body is needed for service. If there is no service, why do you need a body? Become just a little spiritual spark. And the spiritual spark is a source of consciousness, and that consciousness is being permeated through the subtle and gross body. According to our material activities, material involvement, material karmic reactions, we are getting our material body. But the spiritual identity has become reduced to just one tiny little spiritual spark. But when one becomes engaged in devotional service, then his spiritual body begins to develop. As we render service, then there is a need. As according to the service, the body is actually, spiritual body is developing. Therefore, it is so important that we become engaged in serving Krishna. And through that service, our spiritual